Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to download any video from almost any website on your Mac using an incredible tool called SameMovie. Whether it's Netflix, Amazon Prime, YouTube, Disney Plus, or countless other platforms, this guide has you covered. First, click the link in the description to head over to the official SameMovie website. From there, you can either try the free trial or go straight for the full version. And here's a bonus just for Bit9 Tutorials fans. When you use the link below, you'll get an exclusive 30% discount on both the annual and lifetime plans. Once you've made your choice, just enter your email and payment details, then hit Pay Now. The installer will download automatically. When it's finished, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file to extract it. Then, launch the installer named SameMovie Video 1. If macOS gives you a warning saying it was downloaded from the internet, simply click Open to continue. The installation only takes a few moments. Once the app launches, click the key icon in the top right corner. Enter your registration email and license code, then press Register. If you don't have a license code yet, no worries. You can grab one through the discount link in the description. Now let's see how it works. Start by selecting the platform you want to download from. You can switch services anytime. If you don't see your website on the home page, click More Sites to browse, or just paste the video link directly into the search bar. For this tutorial, I'll use YouTube. Simply log into your account, search for the video you want, and click on it. Then, hit the download button in the lower right corner. A settings window will appear where you can choose the video quality, format, audio tracks, and subtitles. Once you're ready, click Download to begin. You can track the progress in the right panel, pause or restart anytime. When the download is complete, go to the Library tab at the top. From there, click the folder icon next to your video, and it'll take you straight to the saved file. Double-click it, and now your video is ready to watch offline on your Mac. And that's it. You've just learned how to download any video from any website using SameMovie. Remember, use the link in the description to unlock your 30% discount on the annual or lifetime plan. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.